Hey guys, Bear here, and I don't know who you think you are, but you promised me I was gonna do this time. So get out so I can do it, maggot. Okay. Alright, everybody. Drill Sergeant here, and I'm gonna school you on how to operate Discord. Cause if you don't know, you're a little maggot, and the Drill Sergeant will whip you in the shape. So last time, I do believe Bear went over the basics of what these are, what these two things are, how to open this, and I think that's it. I can't remember. I was sitting in the same room. I was just trying to be so quiet. He was so. Anyways, we're gonna be learning about friends. No, I mean not friends. We're gonna be learning about these things, which are channels, servers, whatever you want to call them. Drill Sergeant just calls them rat's ass piece of shit. Now, I normally have more, but hey. Anyways, we'll go to the main channel of the ESG community. So, this is your main thing. You'll always appear on the first text channel thing that is in the channel. It's kind of confusing, though. Let me tell you. Anyways. Now, obviously, I don't have some things you have, and you won't have anything, some things I have. Well, technically, it's not me, it's actually Bear, but hey, anyways. We won't have the same things, most likely. But how you make a text chat or a voice chat in your channel, servers, whatever you want to call it, is where it says text channels up here. Motherfucker. I know, I thought I heard you. Don't you say a thing. I said I was doing, or I'm gonna Swiss Army boot kick you out of this room. But it's my room. I do not care. You're interrupting my video. Sorry, Sarge. It's not Sarge anymore. Did you not know I got promoted? To what? Major? Really? No! I'm a captain, actually, but hey. Major's always been a dream of mine. Anyways. So yes, it is Captain Sarge now. So you need to learn that, dirtbag. Yeah, that shut you up. Anyways, where it says text channels, there's a plus sign right beside it. Same with the voice channels. You push that, and it makes a new text chat. You can make it private from here. You can make it either a voice or text channel now, so you don't have to click on one thing, a certain plus sign. You can click on either one, and it brings you to this. Then once you're done, you push the check mark, obviously, and it shows up here. Here. Fucker. Here. In your little menu thing. Alright. Now we're gonna go over, well, how much time do we have left? Then we're gonna also go over how to invite people. You go up here to create instant invite. It'll bring you a link. There's settings on side. You can have an expiration date. You can have an instant. Motherfucker, I thought I heard you. No, sir, you didn't. That's what I like to hear, sir. Anyway, expiration date, you can set max number of uses, grant temporary membership, and also what channel they appear in. But you can also make it to where it never expires down here. And I do believe that is it for this video. Am I right, Bear? Oh, I can talk now? Yes, you can talk. Maggot. Fucking faggot. Anyways, guys, shut up. I didn't tell you to talk to them. I asked you a question. You will talk to me, not them. Yes, that is everything. Alright, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, share the video, join, don't join, don't bear it like Bear says over there. I want you to go and join Captain Sarge's Army / Navy, conservative both. And I will drill Sarge you, even though I'm technically a drill captain now. But anyways, leave a like, and a comment, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you next video. Maybe. Bye, guys.
Yeah.